Creating a Windows 10 repair disk, step-by-step troubleshooting and system recovery guide. Creating a system repair disk on a Windows PC involves a few steps. Insert a blank disk or USB drive. Use a writable CD, DVD, or USB drive with enough space, usually 256 megabytes or more, that you don't mind formatting. Access Control Panel. Go to the Control Panel through the Start menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Access Backup and Restore. In the Control Panel, navigate to Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Create a system repair disk. On the left panel, click on Create a system repair disk. Follow the prompts, and the system will guide you through the process. Choose the location where you want to create the repair disk, CD, DVD, or USB drive. Completion. Once the process finishes, the system repair disk or USB will be ready to use for troubleshooting and repairing your system.
Remember, a system repair disk can be a lifesaver if your Windows PC encounters booting issues or other system problems. It contains tools to help you fix startup problems, restore backups, and more. Always keep it in a safe place where it is easily accessible if needed.